Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, then hello. I'm so glad you found this video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about some home remedies for freckles. Now, freckles are very cute, but what if you don't want them? What if they bother you, or maybe they are making you feel self-conscious, or you just simply want to get rid of them? Well, today in this video I am going to show you 3 different face masks that will help you get rid of freckles at home naturally. So without any further ado, let's begin with the first face mask. And now moving towards our second face mask, which is lemon juice and honey face mask. Now lemon juice has citric acid and it also has some amount of malic acid, which helps in skin lightening. The malic acid interferes with the production of melanin, which is responsible for skin discoloration, like freckles. Also, lemons have abundant source of vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant which can protect your skin from the harmful UV rays of the sun. Sun exposure is one of the major cause of the development of freckles. Therefore, by protecting your skin from the sun and reducing the production of melanin, lemon juice can get rid of freckles. On the other hand, we have honey. Honey is having anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It protects your skin from the damages done by the free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules which can damage your skin cells and can even cause skin cancer. By protecting your skin from free radicals, honey prevents the formation of freckles. The simplest and the most important benefit of using honey is its moisturizing property. By moisturizing your skin, honey locks the water content in your skin and makes your skin complexion fresh, healthy and glowing. This would automatically make the freckles less noticeable. So now we know how both lemon juice and honey work in getting rid of freckles. Let us learn how to apply them on our face to get best results. For this, take 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoonful of raw honey into the lemon juice and stir it properly till the mixture becomes uniform. Now wash your face properly with a mild cleanser and pat it dry. Apply this face mask evenly all over your face, especially on the areas where you have more freckles. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Follow this remedy once in a week and you will start noticing a difference in your freckles. Lemon juice and honey is the best combo ever. If you haven't tried it on your face, then please try it because it really works. You can use it as a face mask. You can also use it as a lip balm. Just rub a little bit of honey on your lips and leave it for 15-20 minutes and rinse it off and you will see the difference. Or you can also apply it on your elbows, on your knees, wherever you have like dry skin or maybe some discoloration. Moving towards our last face mask, which is tomato and cream. Tomatoes contain lycopene, which is a carotenoid pigment. Carotenoids are natural compounds found in fruits and vegetables that have antioxidant properties. Lycopene is one of the most studied carotenoids and has been shown to have a number of health benefits, including protection against heart diseases, certain cancers, as well as skin disorders. In addition to its antioxidant property, lycopene is also known for its skin lightening property. Hence, it reduces the appearance of freckles, blemishes, and other types of discoloration on the skin. Cream, or you can say heavy whipping cream, contains lactic acid. Lactic acid is an alpha-hydroxy acid, which is an exfoliating agent. It removes the dead skin cells and brightens the skin complexion. By removing the top layer of the dead skin cells, lactic acid makes the freckles less noticeable. The anti-inflammatory property of lactic acid also calms down the irritated and sun-damaged skin. So now we know how tomato and cream can help us in getting rid of freckles. Let's learn how to apply them on our face to get the best results. For this, take 1 medium-sized tomato in a bowl and mash it properly till it becomes a thick paste. Add 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream into the mashed tomato and mix it well. If the consistency of the mixture is too runny, then add some more cream to it. Now wash your face thoroughly with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Apply this mixture evenly all over your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat your face gently with a soft towel. Follow this remedy twice in a week and you will notice a significant change in the appearance of your freckles. Tomatoes and cream is another combination which is so amazing. I just love it. Try it out, especially if you have dry skin. Now, along with these face masks, you should also follow some tips and tricks to get rid of freckles faster. One of the most important things is stay away from the sun exposure. Keep this in mind. Stay away from sun exposure because sun exposure is the major cause of the formation of freckles. So keep yourself covered whenever you go out in the sun. Use protective clothing, use umbrella, use sunscreen. These are the basic things that you should do to prevent the formation of freckles. Another thing is increase the intake of vitamin C foods in your diet. Vitamin C is an antioxidant which protects your skin from the damages done by the sun exposure. So, make sure you eat enough vitamin C foods like oranges, strawberries, raspberries, kiwi, bell peppers, sauerkraut. These are the foods which are rich in vitamin C. Include them in your diet to get maximum benefits. Third, keep your skin hydrated at all times. Dry skin makes the freckles more noticeable. So keep your skin hydrated by drinking plenty of water during the day and also by applying moisturizers on your skin. This would help you get rid of freckles faster. Fourth, use natural and homemade skincare products. Most of the over-the-counter skincare products contain harsh chemicals which can damage your skin and can even worsen the condition of your freckles. So use mild and gentle skincare products which are either homemade or have natural ingredients. This would help you get rid of freckles faster. Last, be patient. Getting rid of freckles takes time. Don't expect overnight results. Follow these remedies and be patient. You will definitely see the results. I hope you liked these face masks. Try them out and let me know in the comments section how they worked on your skin. I'll be eagerly waiting for your comments. Please do not forget to like this video. And if you have any queries or questions, do not forget to write them down in the comments section below. I'll try my best to answer them. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Stay happy, stay healthy.